want to sell, but the land has no title.
Right.
A family wants to sell
Yes.
ancestral land, but the title was never registered. Only an outdated common law deed exists. What are the complications here?
So when there's a common law deed, that family is probably in a better position than 90% of the individuals that have unregistered land in Jamaica. So you have to go through the process of applying for first registration with the National Land Agency. So there is that's a multi-step process as well. They have to get the property surveyed, and we have to get a pre-check plan. What a pre-check plan is something that's presented to the government of Jamaica to say, based on our knowledge of the land, these are the actual boundaries, and we're asking for you to approve this. Once that approval has taken place and the government is satisfied with the boundaries that the family has identified, they have to find individuals in the community that have been there for many, many years to say, oh, we know that that family has been living on the property for well over 2-3 decades, and we can attest to that fact. And then an application is submitted. Again, there are costs associated with this process. And so it's important to ensure that you get proper legal advice. The persons who are giving evidence to say that they know that the family is the true owner, they have to meet certain age requirements, and they also have to demonstrate that they are of sound mind. Right, so it's definitely possible, but it's a process that you'd have to go through to get the new title.